Happy Tuesday. Lalabas kami for a walk. Hangon namin ni anay. Lagay ko muna yung aking coat sa car and then I'm gonna grab some drink. Ito si Mr. Nilagay na si James. Pupunta ako sa shop. I'm gonna get some drinks, honey, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you want? Lucozade? Okay. Punta ako sa shop. We are off now, people. Nakabili na ako ng drinks. Did you bring some snacks? What you want? Oh, I only get drink. So, I got a drink for Baba and then Chris. He's got Kinder chocolate in here. You can share. So we're off now. Our daddy Pogi here. And little cool dude. Say hi guys! Say hi guys! Broom. We are here.
Cool.
Cool. Dito ulit kami sa Kilmars.
Cool.
Malapit lang sa amin. And may car park space pa naman. So, dito na kami. Which way we gonna go? Aming tour, oh. Is it this way or that way?
Come on, this way.
This way, love.
I think it's going to be too muddy in the wood.
What?
Get the mud.
Try.
Try. Wow. It's up to you, mate. But
Little chatty box. He's happy now. Are you happy? Yeah? Happy? Wow.
sheep.
Mind the puddle.
No, I don't mean.
No, no. Try. No, no playing in the paddle. Go in the side. Good boy. Quiet today. It's a bit strange.
Come on, the football.
We're heading now back to the car kasi pupunta kami ng Foxton Locks. Kasi parang ano, bit boring dito. Just for a walk. Maganda lang dito pag ano, bike, magsa-cycling. Punta kami sa Foxton Locks kasi maganda doon. Our little monkey will enjoy the water. He said, instead of water, water. Balik tayo sa car. I think we walk about 30 minutes then way. Balik kami sa car park. Yung isa na uhaw na. Papunta na tayo sa ano guys, Foxton Locks. Hopefully it's not. Mind you, it's a big car park there, honey, isn't it? So, may space tayo doon mag-car park. Yung aking aling maliit, ayun. Sabi ni Chris. Munch, munch, munch. Dito na kami guys. Kuha lang ako ng ticket para sa car park. Kasi ano siya, pay and display. So, ay ito, nakita ko na yung ano, machine. Kuha ako ng ticket. Dito na kami guys sa Foxton Locks. Hiya! Si Mommy? Hiya! Si hi guys! He's happy now. Yeah, a boat. I know. There's some boats. Merong mga boats dito na nakapark. And look, he's more happier here. Kasi may water at saka mga boat. We're supposed to go in the other way, Daddy, but we're... Oh no! Oh my God! Oh may namat... Ano? Naipit daga. Yuck. Oh no, poor rat. Poor rat. Are you happy now? Lots of boats here. Mas okay dito mag-walking kasi may tubig at saka may mga magagandang din tanawin kahit countryside. So papunta kami ngayon sa pinaka main, where is the craft and I don't know, there's loads there. Mga tawag nito, ice cream station. Are we gonna have ice cream? Yeah. Yay! Yeah, ice cream. Yummy. A little baba. Oh yeah, it's a horsey. Hi, it's not gonna speak to you. More boat here. Maraming boat this time because I think it's free. And there's more at the bottom. Yeah, solar panel. You got their flower on top. And there's more flower in the back. I don't know if it's the back. Yeah, this is the back, isn't it? This one. More flower. Oh, it's a front then. It's a bit mucky water. Oh, they are queuing for the ice cream. Kami ng ice cream, but we need to queue kasi may queue, so pila-pila for the sake of ice cream. May pub dito pero hindi pa siya open. Looks like they're still preparing it. They're cleaning the tables outside. Yung mga tao dito nag-chill. Kain tayo guys. May vanilla ice cream ako si Mr. Got orange at si James. Meron din to? Sales cake. I don't know what is this one. Pero dito lang kami upo. No, you're not gonna go down, love. Come on. Kain tayo.
No.
No, we're not gonna go down. Come on. We are heading back now, people. So good na kami. Sobrang init na rin.
Stuffed us out with ice cream.
Kumain lang ng ice cream dito. Ngayon nabusog, walay na, napagod na. Yung aming maliit din, pagod na. Are you tired now, love? Yeah? Tahimik na. Uwi na tayo, balik na tayo sa car park. Yes, we wanna play in the garden. Still got time to play in the garden. Hi guys! Nasa bahay na pala kami at nakabihis ako. Nakabihis na ako kasi sobrang pawis. Ano ba yung hinahanap ko? Oh no, phone. So, yan. Si James, ayun, nasa labas, nabihis na rin. At naglalaro na sa garden. Alam nyo naman yun. Alam niya, pag mainit kasi gusto niyang nasa labas, nasa garden naglalaro. So, yan. So, yes, we had a good walk today. Tapos, ngayon magpapahinga na lang kami kasi time is, 3 o'clock na. So, magpapahinga na kami while watching James playing, and I think I'm gonna close this vlog as well kasi may gagawin pa ako magano sa aming paluwagan. And thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.